Dang it, I keep missing. It's because what half of the steering doesn't work. Look.
Why?
So it's so hard to drive it.
Because he's launching this thing at 50 miles an hour per ramp.
What broke?
The steering.
Want to see?
He showed me pictures. So you got a metal one. That's probably, you should probably test all your parts. Figure out how to get that.
Nah, okay, once you can replace everything with metal, it gets a lot heavier, and then you crash it and it breaks more. But look, this thing, look in there,
Yeah.
it's fucking broken. So I need it, it's plastic, breaks. Aluminum won't break anymore. Jack already has to drive it, so I'll let him go first.
Okay.
That one's low-key also broken.
Oh, really?
Look, I did this makeshift shock system. Hopefully that works a little bit.
Can you try it?